video just to talk about page layout. For this project, I am asking everyone to use the tabloid horizontal size. So right now, when I open up a new file, it defaulted to letter. You can always go File, New, and open up tabloid, but you don't need to do that either. There's a tool right here. It says Artboard Tool. You can click that one time, and then now it'll let you change the size of your paper. You can also see it changing up here. So it can be kind of hard to get exactly the tabloid size. So I usually just type it in. So tabloid, what is that? Tabloid is basically 2 letter size papers. So if you can imagine a portrait letter size on the left and another portrait letter size on the other side. So if you know what a letter size paper is, that is 8.5 by 11. So it would be 8.5 plus 8.5, which equals 17 inches. So the width on tabloid is 17 inches, and then the height is 11 inches. So I'm going to type in 11. Okay. And then I'm going to zoom out by hitting Command negative just to look at it. There you go. And sometimes people like to work with 2 artboards. You can always click, artboard number 2, and this would print like 2 pages. And again, you could type it in as well. We don't need that for this project, but since I'm talking about this tool, I'd like to let you guys know. Now I'm working in inches. What if you are in points or some other system? So when I'm done, I'm going to hit the black arrow just to get out of this. To switch over to inches, you can go File, Document Setup. And then here's the units, inches. So I do believe it probably defaults to one of these top ones. So I prefer inches. That's just the way me as a designer operates. And then here, if you hit Edit Artboards from that window, it brings you basically to this tool as well. So pretty simple. It's good to know so you're not always restarting a file if you're trying to change your paper size. Let me know if you guys have questions.